I am going to about welcome back. Today I am going to about methods in extension in Swift. Method of an extension in Swift. What is extension? Extension add new functionality to an existing class. Extension to add new functionality to an existing class, structure, enumeration, or a protocol type. What is method extension in Swift? Extension can add new instance method and type method to existing type of the structure class and enumeration. So the following example add is senior citizen and instance method for instance. So first of all, then we are going to create a extension in type. Extension int integer. Type is extension function. That we are going to create a function. Func name is senior citizen. Is senior citizen is age of human is senior citizen. Above 60 and below is 60. CNI senior citizen is senior citizen that have no parameter. Return that have written is a bool yes and no function body. Then we are going to create a state condition of if condition self is a integer, follow is integer, self above is 60 age above is senior citizen and no senior citizen. So return is true and otherwise it is false. Otherwise return false. And then we are complete declaration of extension and then we are going to create a initialization let human age type of integer 89. Then we are going to create a use statement. So print human age dot college is senior citizen function. Add a new functionality of integer type. Add is senior citizen. This is a function is senior citizen is called. We can run. Slow is running is senior citizen true. Above is 60 age and below is 60 कर दें. Below is 60 40 we can run false. And then next example is example of declaration even and to check the number is even and odd. To check the number of even and odd. Extension integer. Then we are going to create a function func check even odd number. Check even odd number is function name that have no parameter. Written is a bool. written is ball. Then is return self is integer number, modulus 2 equal 0. Modulus 2 equal 0. And then we are going to create a initialization statement. Let number 6. Then we are going to create a use statement. Then we are going to create a print statement. Number we can access dot check even odd. This function that define that you are creating a function check even odd. We can run true. This is a even number is true. So what is extension? Extension add new functionality to an existing class, structure, information and protocol. What is extension? And extension method. Extension can add new instance method and type method to an existing type. Thank you for watching this video.